You're welcome. Well, today we are going to look at how to do a mango smoothie. Join me, guys. What we shall need is a mango. I'm going to use one mango, one banana, a half glass or cup of milk, and a half cup or glass of yogurt, plain yogurt. We are going to, as you can see, this is our sliced one banana and chopped one mango. We put in our blender. Add in our milk and yogurt. This is yogurt. And then milk. Looks good. And then we blend. Blending, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, our smoothie, mango smoothie is ready, as you can see. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Join me. We pour into the glass. Looks heavy. Looks creamy. And we taste. Hey, time to taste. Heaven on earth. Trust me. Guys, this can only take you less than 5 minutes to prepare. So you can prepare it before you go to work. You can prepare it in just 5 minutes. Guys, continue subscribing, liking, sharing my videos. Bye-bye.